Hi everyone, so happy you're here. I'm excited to present to you our 2022 Camelot Diamond Painting Kits. But before we get started, I have a few things to tell you and a few things to share. So first off, our Disney character diamond painting kits are now available for the US. So everything I'm going to be showing you today is going to be offered across Canada and in the United States as of January 1st. So mark your calendar and pre-order now.
Best day ever!
Second, we've added a new kit commodity to the licensed assortment under the Dotsies brand. This box comes in a more rectangular gift-style box shape rather than the tall, slim, peggable box. Let's take a look inside. We've got a plastic tray that holds all your stickers, two pieces of wax, 2 trays, 2 stylus pens, 3 boards, and all your individually packaged dots. Okay, for this one, you gotta come in a little closer. These are 9-facet, 2.6mm square gems and are part of 2 full drill Star Wars designs in the assortment. Full drill designs are dotted edge to edge. I'll show you the 2 designs in just a sec. And my last bit of news, drum roll please, our Novelty Collection. We've curated a collection that is geared towards the more sophisticated, trendy, tween, teen, young adult kind of crowd. The same high quality, color printed fabric and components you know and expect from all Camelot diamond painting kits in the tall, slim, peggable box. We have a great range of designs for the beginner to the advanced pro level daughter. All right, without further delay, it's time to show you what's new. In the 7x7-inch Pegable Box, which is our 4x4 kits, we've got Chewie, Spidey, Poppy, and who doesn't love Mike Wazowski? Then, in the 12x3x2-inch Pegable Box, for the fans, we have Young DC Wonder Woman and Batman, Millennium Falcon, and Hogwarts Express. We've covered the bright colors with Spider-Man and Care Bear, and a softer palette with Ohana from the Disney's Lilo and Stitch. For the nostalgia craver, who doesn't love Toy Story's Woody, Buzz, and Bo Peep? The next group has the most newness in it. This is the 15x3x2-inch Pegable Box. We've refreshed the Harry Potter house crests with this bold color alumni collection for each of the Hogwarts houses. We've added the Disney princess personalities from gracious to spirited, beauty to graceful. And from MCU, we've got Iron Man, Thor, and Captain America using a pop graphic collection where bold colors and vivid colors meet thick lines and dotted patterns. We've covered the Disney classics with Bambi and the always lovable Care Bear, offering positive vibes. We are loving this new sitcom lineup and fan favorites. We've got Seinfeld, The Office and Friends, E.T., and Jaws. All right. Ready for the squares? We're introducing square gems with this Star Wars stained glass look, featuring square gems and a full drill design. This is no doubt going to be a huge hit. Moving along to the 20x4x2 Pegable Box, we've got loved Disney characters like Tinkerbell and Alice, and Encanto, whose theatrical release is November 24th, which is sure to be another great Disney mega hit. Stick around for the trailer. I'll make sure to have it added at the end of this video. And to round out this group, Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry, which has a magical sparkle background finish. And the best for last, this is the 23x4x2-inch Pegable Box. Check out this Avengers character-inspired logo on a sparkle ground and Harry Potter's Order of the Phoenix. I think the advanced and pro-level daughters are going to love it. Moving along to the dots boxes, we are continuing to expand our assortment of the 11-inch by 11-inch dots boxes. We've got 4 of your favorite princess and a playful minion design. We are keeping true to this dotting activity with bright colors and quick time completion rate, which means it can be displayed immediately with the hang hold feature in the back. Ready for the dotsies? We're starting off with Harry Potter and Wonder Woman. 3 sturdy boards to complete. They can be done all at once or one at a time. Then you've got the 3 stickers to complete. And when you're done with the stickers, you just peel and stick. Let me show you how it's done. All right, our novelty line. We followed the same packaging size ranges for the novelty assortment. This means there will be a seamless product flow at the retail level. We picked on-trend designs with a colorful palette and positive messages, with a home decor kind of feel. We have the soft dotting feature on 2 designs, which is more of a freestyle kind of feel versus the horizontal dotting grid. Oh my God, I think that's it, everyone. The last thing you need to know is that an 82-page glossy catalog is going to be available very, very soon, with all of the designs featured in this video, as well as many other Camelot Dots diamond painting kits we've been able to offer you. You can view a digital version of the catalog by clicking the link in the Camelot Dots tab in the price list. Disney's Encanto trailer is up next. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Many years ago, this candle blessed our family with a miracle. Our house, our casita, came to life with magic.
Hola, casita.
Floors! Drawers! Let's go! In time, every member of our family
Cecilia, up top!
was given their own magical gift.
I understand you.
I'm not super strong like Luisa.
The donkey's got out again.
On it!
Or effortlessly perfect like Señorita Perfecta Isabella. But Mama, why am I the only one that didn't get a gift?
You're just as special as anyone else in this family.
You just healed my hand with an arepa con queso.
Casita?
What's going on?
The magic is in danger. We gotta get out of here!
We must protect our home. We must protect our family.
This is my chance. I will save the magic. Wait, how do I save the magic?
I'm losing my gift! Mirabel, the fate of the family is gonna come down to you.
I can't do this.
Let me help you. The rats told me everything. Don't eat those.
Even in our darkest moments, there's light where you least expect it. Whoa, a lot of stairs. But at least I'll have a friend. Nope, you flew away immediately.
Quitter!